Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with the foundational broth. In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable faux soup. Begin by simmering a mix of onions, ginger, and carrots in a large pot, about 6 quarts, for at least 1 hour. Toast whole spices such as star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves until fragrant, then add them to the broth. This creates a rich, aromatic base for your delicious pho. Next, prepare your noodles and vegetables. Choose fresh, vibrant vegetables such as bok choy, shiitake mushrooms, and thinly sliced carrots. Rehydrate dried flat rice noodles in warm water until pliable, then drain them well. Ensure all vegetables are sliced thinly, about 1/8 of an inch, so they cook quickly when added to the hot broth. Now, let's assemble your pho bowls. First, place a serving of the rehydrated rice noodles into the bottom of each large bowl. Next, artfully arrange your prepared fresh vegetables, like bean sprouts and cilantro, on top of the noodles. Finally, carefully ladle the piping hot, aromatic vegetable broth over all the ingredients, ensuring everything is submerged and warmed through. To complete your pho experience, offer a variety of fresh garnishes. Provide a plate with fresh basil leaves, cilantro sprigs, and thinly sliced green onions. Include lime wedges for a bright citrusy note and sliced jalapenos for those who enjoy a little heat. Serve your vegetable pho immediately, allowing everyone to customize their bowl to perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.